Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mrs. Hart and today we have another cute, fun and easy DIY from Dollar Tree and I cannot wait to show you how I made it. So let's get started. To attach the shoes in the board, I use an aluminum pole. My husband helped me to cut it using a hacksaw. Each size of the pole is 6 inches long. The pole is not really heavy. I think you can use a stick or you can look around the house. Maybe you can find something that you can attach the shoes in the board. For the welcome sign, I'm using my scan and cut. If you don't have scan and cut, it's okay. The alternative can be wood letters at Dollar Tree. You can buy that or find a tutorial on YouTube how to put the sign on the board. There are tons of tutorial out there. Yep. I also put some fairy lights around the board. You can get that at Dollar Tree. And voila, we're done. I'm so in love with it. It's really cute. Thanks for watching, guys. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome here. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that if I have a new video, you'll not gonna miss out. Yeah, bye-bye.